How to pay Cricket bill for someone else 2025. Want to help a friend or family member pay their Cricket wireless bill? In 2025, it's easier than you think. Here's how. Step 1. Get the account number or phone number associated with the Cricket account. Most people get this wrong. They assume you need full login credentials, but that's not required. Step 2. Visit the Cricket wireless website or open the mobile app. Select Pay Bill and enter the account or phone number. You won't believe what happens next. You can choose the payment amount and pay directly using a debit card, credit card or PayPal without logging into the other person's account. Step 3. Confirm the payment. After processing, both you and the account holder receive a confirmation receipt via email or SMS. You can also schedule recurring payments if you want to help regularly. Step 4. Optional. Notify the recipient. While not required, letting them know you paid ensures transparency and prevents confusion. Following these steps allows you to safely pay someone else's Cricket bill without sharing passwords or account access. The surprising truth is that paying bills for others doesn't have to be complicated. Using the official Cricket tools is secure, fast, and keeps your financial information private.